everyone, welcome back to Moni's Mission. Today I'm going to show you a recipe that we love here in our house, and it's called Lemon Tofu Scampi. I'm going to show you how to make it, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we have a gluten-free fettuccine that we get at Safeway. It's made by Barilla. I like this pasta because it actually tastes like pasta. You can, of course, use whatever kind of pasta you like. If you like to do zoodles or any kind of gluten-free pasta or regular pasta. I'm going to be adding a little bit of vegetable broth. Some people make their own broth, but I'm always in a hurry, so we just pick one up. We picked this up from Whole Foods. We're going to add a can of artichoke hearts. And of course, I'm going to cut up some Hodu Soy Tofu very finely and add this. Is going to be our main ingredient inside the pasta. Once I'm done putting everything together, we're going to garnish it with a little bit of parsley. Of course, it's fresh. It smells amazing. I've chopped up some lemons and we're going to garnish this towards the end. And then we're going to top it off with some Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese. It's pre-shredded. You can buy it pre-shredded. It's actually really good, and it also melts when you cook it or when it's on hot food. So we're going to start by boiling a pot of water and adding the pasta to it. We're going to let it boil about 13 minutes, and then we're going to add it to the pasta. Alright, so here I have avocado oil. I'm going to be using this to fry the tofu. Now after you get the tofu kind of browned, or as brown as you like it, then you're going to go ahead and add the artichokes in. Now again, this is where you can add a little bit of garlic if you like into the pan, but we're not going to put garlic. I'm going to go ahead and put just a tiny bit of the garlic olive oil to give it a little bit of flavor. Now that the tofu is browned, and now that we put the artichokes inside, I'm going to go ahead and add some vegetable broth. I measure about a cup of vegetable broth. I kind of just look at it with my eyes, but it's approximately a cup. We're going to add in the lemon juice. You can put as much lemon as you like. I like to put at least a whole lemon. Now that it's come to a boil, you can add in a little bit of pepper. pasta has been drained. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now and add the parsley. Now we're going to go ahead and mix everything all together. You can add a little bit of salt also if you like. I don't put in a lot more because it's already in the broth. Here we have the finished lemon tofu scampi. Look at that. Looks amazing, doesn't it? All right. Well, that was my video for the lemon tofu scampi. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and share my video. Let me know also if you end up making this recipe yourself, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.